Mr. Inayatullah, that is your interpretation.
Yeah.
That is your interpretation. Now that's the censor board's interpretation.
It's not my interpretation. You don't ask any people.
So you are the president of the Indian National League. You're not you're a president of the Indian National League.
Exactly.
So may I ask you? May I ask you how much? What percentage? What percentage of the people of Tamil Nadu do you represent?
I think that's not the right question.
2-3%.
2 to 3. So, but then why do you impose your views on everyone?
But it's not a question of imposing. We are exhibiting. The problem will come because those people who knows the Arabic, they should have been in the panel, in the censor board. What they know, the Quranic version, what they know.
Leela Samson.
The La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, they can't understand. Why you are bringing these versions in this when somebody is slitting the neck of one man? That is not there.
There was
to say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah by slitting the neck. And the censor board, they are not within the framework of their rights, the guidelines of the censor, this Cinematography Act has given.
So you are looking at one part of the film.
Violated all those things.
So you are looking at one part of the film. Leela Samson is answering. Leela Samson, one second, here the other side.
There was a Muslim member, on every panel that reviewed this film, whether Telugu, Tamil or Hindi. The Muslim member was present. This was very
we know that. That is why yesterday the Advocate General said there is a big scam in this.
Sir, the Advocate General has no.
He's expressing the open court.
I object to the way that the Advocate General spoke about a statutory body. I do not accept his point of view.
Yes. How do you use the word scam? One minute. Mr. Inayatullah, what is the scam? What is the scam? What are you suggesting?
Yes, tell us what
are you suggesting?
Yeah, that's what
I want to check whether Mr. Inayatullah, you are making an unsubstantiated allegation, and I am asking you tonight that you are making an allegation and you are saying that there is a scam in the censor board. With all sincerity, I want you to explain yourself, Mr. Inayatullah. Explain yourself.
Yes, Mr. Goswami. No, I cannot. Because
explain yourself if you cannot take it back.
Yesterday. Why should it is not from my mouth. It is from the mouth of the Advocate General in the open court.
Sir.
Mr. Raman, the advocate, who is representing Mr. Kamala Hassan,
to
it. Even Jet could not accept.
It doesn't. What he said is not right. If he is right, then take every film off the screens today.
No, I want Mr. Inayatullah, are you saying today you made a comment, you want to take it back right now? You said there's a scam in the censor board, which is why this film was released.
I'm not saying it is what Advocate General has said.
Please listen. This is not my word.
This is what Advocate General
has said.
He used
the Advocate General.
He is quoting the Advocate General to substantiate his argument.
Yeah, exactly.
He is saying that the censor board of
General.
He is saying that the censor board of India. He is saying that the censor board of India. He is saying there is a scam in the censor board of India. I am simply asking him whether he is quoting that unknowingly or knowingly, with facts or without facts. It is apparent.
Knowingly I am quoting. I was present in the court.
Yeah.
No, Mr. Goswami.
What is the scam?
I was an advocate.
So then, Mr. Inayatullah,
the Advocate General has quoted this.
On what facts? On what facts? Name one fact.
That we have a doubt on the certificate issued by the censor board.
One fact.
And the censor board has got a scam, big scam in the censor board.
Sir, that's a very big accusation, sir.
Don't ask Mr. Advocate General.
Sir, that's a very big accusation you're making against Leela Samson.
I'm not accused. No, I'm not accused. Please ask the Advocate General, who is representing the Tamil Nadu government.
No, if you're saying... No, 1 second.
Please.
1 second. Leela Samson respond. Coming back to
you. Discussion.
I'm not derailing. I'm simply saying that all kinds of allegations are being made back and forth.
No,
yes, Ms. Leela Samson.
No, he's not making any allegation.
He's quoting the Advocate General.
Not making any allegation.
Fine.
It's not my allegation, Mr. Goswami. You are misguiding the people. Please don't do that. You are misguiding.
So why do you object so strongly if I ask you a question?
I am repeating here.
So why do you object?
And ask also Mr. Kamala Hassan's advocate, Mr. Raman, saying that how he can say that scam. He said, yes, I will say I am not bound by anybody. I am not afraid of anybody but for the God. These are the words the Advocate General has expressed yesterday in the court hall. Sir,
if you say today that film certification in India...
No, sir.
So if you're saying film certification in India is a very big scam, I request you to, and if you believe so, then substantiate the allegation. Or don't believe in the allegation.
Let the board members who are there, let them
Why are you shooting off the censor board shoulder right now? I come back to the point which I asked Rahul Narvekar.
Yes,
No, there's nothing. Rahul Narvekar,
members are there.
my question was this.
Two members are there, let them protest.
My question was this. My expression cannot be taken away. My question to the Shiv Sena is on whether they'll change their approach, whether they'll mend their ways.
Well, Arnab, my problem is not with what you are accusing us of. My problem is with the selective action of the state. When you accuse Shiv Sena of carrying out such acts, let me just remind you, can you enumerate even a single incident where a film has been banned by Shiv Sena for its screenplay, for its dialogues, for its script, for its story? Can you please enumerate?
2001 minute. You don't answer. You don't ask.
Come on.
Ask the question. Answer.
Let's not waste time. Tell me, please. If please don't waste the time of your viewers, because if you go back to the 2010 My Name is Khan episode, I've already mentioned it earlier.
Why are you on the defensive?
That My Name is Khan was not.
Why are you on the defensive?
Was not.
Why are you on the
stopped from screening because of its screenplay or its script or its story?
Why are you on
it
the
was
defensive?
against protest
Why
against Shah Rukh Khan. If you have anything other than that, please mention it, and I'm ready to take it on.
Why are you on the defensive?
No, please go on. Let's not waste any further time.
Mahesh Bhatt wants to respond to you. I actually will give you not
and
one. I'll give you 1 minute, Rahul.
I also have a question for Mr. Mahesh
1 minute,
Bhatt. Mr. Bhatt, I think action speaks louder than words.
Mr. Narvekar, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. As I said today, our viewers are noticing something today. Mahesh Bhatt, I'm coming to you. Our viewers are noticing today that the Shiv Sena representative has asked about 10 questions and not given one reply.
For which Mr. Arnab Goswami
not given one reply.
Answer. You don't have a single answer towards the 10 questions I've put to you.
Well, you know, the problem is
Can you tell me, I've asked you a simple question. You're talking about Shiv Sena stopping the screening of films. Can you enumerate even one film? Can you please do that?
Rahul, if you continue like this, then our viewers will be very concerned for the manner in which you are responding here today. I will give you not one, I will give you 5 examples,
please
Rahul Narvekar, in which you have been censored. But before that, because I don't censor people, I'll let Mahesh Bhatt speak. Mahesh Bhatt, go ahead.
Rahul, there was a film called Fire. It was stopped during the BJP Shiv Sena rule. We, Javed Akhtar Saab, me and Mr. Dilip Kumar Saab, approached the Supreme Court and we got the sanction from the Supreme Court to let the film be screened once again. But in spite of that, the fear was so palpable on the streets of Mumbai because you guys were in power and you have awesome power to intimidate people. And nobody had the gall to stand up and say, no, we have got a clearance from the Supreme Court and we'll go ahead and screen the film. In spite of the Supreme Court clearance, the film was not shown. My fear is tomorrow, even if Kamal Haasan gets a go-ahead from the Supreme Court, there is no guarantee that the movie will be shown in Tamil Nadu because the raw power of the state is awesome. We artists are virtual power centers. We can only do acts of bravado on the screen. In real space, you guys have the power, and we know this.
1 minute. Now, Rahul, 1 minute. Mr. Bhatt, 1 minute. Rahul, just be silent for a second. 1 second, please. I request you.
Yeah.
I request you. I am never in the business of letting a question that is asked to me go unanswered if the question deserves an answer. So, ladies and gentlemen, Bhavna Somaya, you can correct me if I am wrong. Rahul Narvekar says, name one film in which we have taken a position against the film which is contrary to, in terms of pushing. If I remember, I would like to take this forward. Chief Minister Manohar Joshi supported the actions to shut down screenings of Fire, saying, and I quote, "I congratulate them for what they have done. This theme is alien to our culture." A statement issued from the Shiv Sena's women wing said, quote, "If women's physical needs get fulfilled through lesbian acts, the institution of marriage will collapse. Reproduction of human beings will stop," unquote. On the 2nd of December, as per a news report, more than 200 Shiv Sainiks stormed a theatre in Mumbai, smashing glass panes, burning posters and shouting slogans. They compelled managers to refund tickets to moviegoers. This was followed by a Regal theatre in Delhi similarly stormed. There, Bajrang Dal workers with lathis invaded these cinema halls, breaking up everything in sight. 29 people were arrested in Mumbai in connection with these incidents, after which the chief minister, which party is Manohar Joshi from? 1 minute, which party is he from?
I think
Which party
I
is-
think you're seasoned enough to have
I'm
known
not.
that much.
I'm not.
Now let me
which
come to
which
the
party?
point and
Which
answer
party
your
is
question.
Manohar Joshi from?
Let me answer your
no,
question.
which party is
Arnab,
Manohar
I
Joshi
think if
from?
you don't know that answer, I am amazed.
He's from the Shiv Sena. No, I'm
Exactly.
explaining it.
So let me come to the crux of the
he
question
says,
and answer that.
He says last part, quote, I congratulate them for what they have done. The film's theme is alien to our culture. That's the answer.
Well, now
I think it
Arnab,
explains
can you
it.
differentiate between the act of a government and act of a party? With due respect to Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, today if in the south the Jayalalitha government has banned this film from being shown on screen, will you blame the Jayalalitha government for it? Or will you blame the activists and the organizations for it?
Oh.
I think it is the fault of the government.
And if both happen, I have a question. I have a question. I have a question for you. I have a question for you.
Action speaks louder than words.
What if both happen?
And if
what
Mr.
if both
Mahesh
happen?
Bhatt feels so strongly about it, what is the film fraternity doing which had gone to the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister putting petitions when some Hindu organization had raised objections about certain films? Why are these double standards? Why are all these organizations not coming behind Kamal Hassan now?
One second.
Number two,
One minute.
The government in its approach has also shown double standards.
Rahul, it's all right. I gave you a clear answer. You don't need to worry so much. The question you asked was adequately answered. I now want to get in Mr. Hussain, please, on this. One second, very quickly.
I think, you see, this particular episode of this whole movie being banned and all the issues which are coming up, I think it has got lessons both in how things should be done and how things should not be done.
Yeah.
First and foremost, I think every person has a right to expression. Similarly, people also have a right to feel hurt.
Yes.
Both are there.
True.
Now, if that is the case, and secondly, I would say that even the censor board cannot be the last word.
Yeah.
They can also make some mistake. But supposing if some community is aggrieved, some individual is
Take
aggrieved,
it through the process.
There is a certain process which you have to follow,
Take it through
which
the
you can
process.
go to the court of law and ask for it. Here, I think the whole problem is when governments come in, and when governments come in selectively. That is the problem.
It's got to go through a process.
Yes.
And perhaps.
And I think here, in this particular thing, Mr. Arnab Goswami, what has happened is, and you have to also take into consideration the Muslim psyche also, because I think, as I was saying,
It's not a. I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing.
Give me just 30 seconds. What I would like to stress here is, this is not the first movie where, Muslims have been shown as terrorists. This is not going to be the last movie. So many. Now, with this particular movie, when this whole thing has come up, I think one very good thing which we need to understand, which we need to accept and appreciate, is that Mr. Kamal Hassan had found it proper to exhibit it to some people, members of the community.
Well,
today I found,
Yeah.
I think yesterday he had mentioned that we are going to do some cuts. We are going to do some cuts. I think this is a very good way of give and take.
One second. Two things.
Yeah.
The best cuts are cuts suggested by the censor board.
Yeah.
The best law is the written law of our country. There can be no law of the street.
Yes.
It is not a Hindu-Muslim issue.
Yes.
It is a my right to be free issue. Isn't it, Bhavna Somaya? Do you agree with me on that? My right to be free.
Yes. But
And I have a law, I'm governed by a law, I'm not governed by a group of people. Self-appointed censors.
I agree with you. I have Arnab, all your facts on fire are correct. Mahesh Bhatt says that we are living in dangerous times. At the same time, he says that the filmmaker has to succumb to so many pressures. I'm saying forget the protesters, forget the politicians. Now is the time for the filmmaker or the individual to say he's not going to succumb to anybody.
Exactly.
He will not show his film to anybody except to the censor board. And then let's take the battle.
Well, I think that
It's about moral conviction.
it's also about moral conviction and a lot of spine. I think this is the India of 2012, 2013. Things are changing very, very quickly. And in the India of 2013 and beyond, I don't think the freedom of expression, anyone's going to let it be trampled over in the way that's been unfortunately done in the past. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us on this important debate. Thank you very much indeed.